That is insanely cool. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing more boat stuff, as you would have seen, but these are different than the last long-tail Thai boats that we saw. These are a lot smaller. These are flat bottom ones, and they're not diesels. These, I think, are like a K5 or something. They're out of like an old 70 Corolla. So, gas powered, not diesel, NA, a lot of carburetors, as you can see, like Webers and stuff like that on there. Very cool. I just want to point out, they have this concrete kind of bridge path, the full width along the canal with all the houses and everything here. This is like their shop and whatnot. This thing, I think, is an LPG powered little engine thing on that one. Interesting. But yeah, this thing goes the full width around the canal. It's concrete. It's so different. Today is the last day for the month of Garrett, which means there's only one turbo left to give away to one of you lucky guys. All you gotta do is place your order on SAMMIT.net right now. Doesn't matter what you place an order for, as long as you have an order in, we're gonna pick a random person and give this to them. So go to SAMMIT.net and place your order right now and check out all the new merch as well. We are now on these boats, and this is everyone who we got with us today. What's your name?
Guang.
Guan?
Yes.
Pan?
Bo.
Bo?
E.
A?
Gob.
Gob. All right, I'll try my best to remember everyone's name. Yes. And then these engines are out of like an old Corolla, right? Like,
You can go to the door. Take a photo.
Really?
Yes, you can go.
Now is okay?
If you want to take a photo.
Okay.
Yes.
Ooh. So sketchy. It feels so like weird moving around. All right, so we get a closer look at this engine. Look at this thing. Dang, so cool. What are these? Are these like fuel filters or pumps or something? Interesting. Little tiny belt, accessory belt for the alternator. I gotta say, like the attention to detail and all the little colors and the anodized parts and stuff in Thailand is so cool. Full oil sump too, like oil pan and everything. Oh, I just noticed how tiny the pulley is. Wow. Wonder why they do that. These boats pretty much only have one gear, which is straight. They don't have reverse. There's no shifter to like put it in neutral or anything like that. The moment you start the engine, it is go. Very different to the other boat that we were on earlier this week. I have a feeling this is going to be a very different experience as well. The sound alone is so different. Very cool. the one with a 4AG and a 3SG. Beams. That was pretty cool. It's so different. Like the experience is way different than the other ones. It's more sketchy in like a good way. The boats are so much lighter and they just skip across the water. No weight at all. There's two more here that are 4AGs. So cool. Back onto the main camera. Look at this 4AG, man. Another one with like a HKS livery valve cover. Dude, this is so cool. Yo, actually, this is ITBs. Huh. They run direct injection on these ones. The rest are all carbs. Interesting. First time I get to look at one of these little propellers up close. Looks like they use a little spacer and a couple locking nuts. Very interesting. Gassing up. I wonder if these guys are about to race. Came over to the other dock and we've got a 3SGE and I think another 3SGE. I thought that may have been an AE80, sorry, a 4H. Saying AE86, same thing. You know what I mean? Look at that thing. So cool. Dang, these boats are awesome. Thank you. So this is essentially a car show, but for boats. And it's at this public space, which is a temple here. It's pretty wild. There are a ton of street food stalls. Oh wow, look at all the candy. I kind of want to buy some. Lots of food, satay and things like that. And then over here are like tons of boat stuff. Look at these big boys. This is more like the ones we went on, the big ones here. And then I guess they have a bunch of engines on display on the back of the truck here. Wow. Old Corolla engines once again. And then what's all this stuff? I guess these are all old engines they used to use on boats maybe? Oh my God. Isn't that what? Some old stuff here. Oh my gosh. Let's go over here. Stop it. There's so much. Holy crap, look at this thing. Dude. Different world, man. Absolutely a different world. 4H. So cool. What is this thing? It sounds insane. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking all the pink engines. It's pretty cool. The 4AG over there that was pink, there's another one there. And then this thing. So cool, it's the 4JJ or whatever. This is like Auto Salon, but for boat engines. This is crazy cool. Oh my God, look at this one up at the end here. Oh, okay, someone's got a Honda K, of course. That is insanely cool. Also, shout out to Garrett. This thing is insane. Another 4JJ or something. Big turbo. Just the attention to detail, all the colors. Oh, it's a compound turbo setup, of course. Far out, these guys are nuts. I love it. This one's very unique because it's a hybrid. It uses an electric motor with that. Very interesting. It seems to be all the hype. A lot of people here checking it out. Found a V8 one, of course the one you see. This is crazy, man. Oh man, different world here, guys. That's the hybrid one. God, I can't get enough of this. This is incredible. This pink motor looks, dude, I've never wanted a 4AGE so bad. Look how nice that looks. I guess some live band's about to perform, but I just want to shout out Salt and Vinegar for the win. I miss those flavored chips so much. Things got really loud with the live band, but this has been incredible. So much inspiration for not only me, but you guys as well, on like how to build your engines, make them look insanely cool and stand out in the engine bay. As you know, I always like building a clean engine, but I feel like Thailand is just so far ahead of everyone else. All the little details they care so much about, and it shows. These are freaking boats and boat engines, and look at the detail on them and how much they stand out with the colors and all the little intricate pieces. They even polish the freaking bell housings and stuff that connect to their prop shafts. It's just so different, and I think we could learn a lot from this and kind of apply it to our car builds. Anyways, time to go back. We got a plane to catch. I was just talking to Guan and I was asking what type of gas they use. This is it here, and it's kind of got this bluish tinge to it. It's full race gas, 100 octane, right?
Yes, that's right.
So all of these boats run on 100 octane?
Yes.
Interesting. Oh, it smells so good. He's filling up right now. Push up. It's starting to rain. Oh boy, the weather's not looking good. Hopefully we can get back without getting drenched. so different. I tried saying it in a clip before, but this may be the equivalent of what the Bosozoku is in Japan, but in Thailand, you know what I mean? It's very different. It's very cool. Everyone seems to be chill and love it too. Like, everyone, that's the normalest boat I've seen here all week. Wow. But it seems like all the locals love these things. I don't see a single Karen complaining anywhere. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. I had such a good time. I still can't get over these things. Absolutely amazing. You would have seen in the GoPro footage too. Oh, hang on. You would have seen in the GoPro footage, we had to lean from side to side on a lot of the cornering, and that's mainly because these boats are built to go fast in a straight line. Not so much around corners. It's kind of like a motorbike in a way. It's kind of cool how you got to like lean into the corners and counter steer. Off they all go. I know I've already said this, but obviously such an incredible experience. If you ever come to Thailand, make sure you experience these boats. I'm gonna put that email in the description again. If you wanna do that experience that we did, the first video when I came to Thailand, make sure you hit them up. But man, such an incredible day. Being able to jump on more of the race kind of style boats designed for fast straight line stuff. I think the boat that just passed us had a K-swap on it. Anyways, but still, the whole boat show thing down the road at that temple, insane. I love Thailand. So cool. Look at these guys. With that out of the way, guys, I hope you liked today's video. Smash that like button, write us a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten and the damned? He said, will you defeat them, your demons and all